Going home now. Semper Fi.
We're mean Marines, sir.
Go easy, bros.
Better you than me.
Well, at least they died for a good cause.
What cause was that?
Freedom?
Flush out your headgear, new guy. You think we waste gooks for freedom? This is a slaughter. If I'm gonna get my balls blown off for a word, my word is Poontang.
Tough break for a hand job. He's all set to get shipped out on a medical.
What was the matter with him?
He's jerking off 10 times a day.
It's no shit. At least 10 times a day.
Last week he was sent down to Da Nang to see the Navy head shrinker. The crazy fucker starts jerking off in the waiting room. Instant Section 8. He's just waiting for his papers to clear division.